next, we did the cutting for this pine wood and also this acrylic. For this also, this both the 10 millimeter for this thickness. And we just used our new product also, laser mastery, is with the 10 watts power for the laser module.
Yes.
It's just by one pass cutting, right? So, and also today we will do this test again to show our friends, for this one is so powerful for this laser module, right?
Yes, because there's some friends that make questions that are you true that you can use the 10 laser modules to cut 10 millimeters acrylic or pine wood at one pass? Because
yes.
We heard that for other factory, maybe they use 10 watts laser modules, they can only also cut 10 millimeters acrylic and pine wood, right?
Yes, but actually for our laser module it's just 10 watts power, but it can do one pass cutting for 10 millimeter. And also Claire, except for today we have shown our friends for our new product, and also we have the benefits for our friends, right?
Yes.
And today we will have 3 rounds the lucky draw. And for the today's giveaway, the prize will be the Y-axis rotary roller and the 10 watts laser module, and also Ortur laser mastery.
Yeah, I want to get a Ortur laser mastery.
I want to get also. Yeah, it's free, and it's the biggest prize today, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's see who will be the biggest lucky winner to get the prize. Anyway, today we have for the 3 rounds, and just stay with us, and maybe you will be the lucky winner to get this one. And before we do anything, we have to tell you guys about today's rules for the lucky draw.
Yes.
And how we can participate this kind of the activities. First, for everyone only have one chance to get the prize.
Yes.
If you participate for the first round and you already get the prize for the first round, and then even though you are participate for the second round or for the third round, and even though you are at the lucky winner, but also because of these rules we will postpone to the next one. And how to participate is very easy. Well, I'm going to say we are going to start the lucky draw, and you need to notice your screen about the comment here. And for today's keywords is also the same keyword is Ortur laser mastery for today's keyword. And I will count 5 numbers from 5 to 1. When I finish the count, and my partner Claire, she will did the
screenshot.
Yes, the screenshot. And if your comment on the page is at the exactly the third line,
yes,
and that means you are the lucky winner. So let's see who will be the lucky winner. Anyway, this is about the rules and how to participate. And before we start for each round, we will tell you guys again for the rules and how to participate this lucky draw, right?
Yes. So you just stay with us, and also that we tell you the rules, because for the last previous live stream, there's a lot of friends that are saying that we are not say it clearly. So at the beginning, we tell you the rules. If you already won the prize for the first, for the first round, you cannot even though you are in the screenshot, maybe in the third line, you cannot to get the new prize, right?
Yeah, because I think this is fair, because if you already get the prize, of course we have to give the chance to others who are not get the prize, right?
Yes.
And except for this, okay, let's back to our machine.
Yes.
Now we are going to show you about the application on iPad to show you how to operate the machine and how to for each function. Okay, I need the iPad first.
Okay, so Tina will show you that closely about the surface of our apps Laser Explorer by iPad. So for our apps, it supports the Android phone, iPhone, iPad, and also the Android tablet. So you do not need to worry about if it can be suitable for all the phones and also the iPads and tablets.
Okay, the first thing you can see here is apply, and this is our application, and the name is Laser Explorer. Okay, let's first do. For this application, you can download from its support for the iOS and iPad and also Android. If for the Android mobile phone, you can download from the Google App Store. And let's try this one. Click OK. Here, this is the dashboard. You can see here it's about our functions. And the first thing, if you are the first time to do with this, you have to connect with your machine. As you see here, we already connected with our Ortur 3. And then, okay, here you can see what's the functions we have now. Here's the control, library, and the album, text, history, file, and the barcode, G code. Okay, let's see this one by one. The first thing is about the control. From this control, actually, this control is to move with the Ortur 3 and also can control the laser module for the laser head. For example, if I click here and it will move, okay, now show you. You can see from this machine it's moved now by this control. So you don't need to move this laser head by your hand, and you can just to control by this application to make it move, and also you can adjust the distance for how long you want to, for which distance you want to make this move to, like for 10 millimeter, and with the speed is the fastest. You can see it will be the right to move to here, just 10 millimeter distance. And if I select the 50 millimeter, and it will move 15 the distance for this one. Okay, except for this one, and we hear the. If you have been used the light bulb and the GRBL, you will know about a lot about this kind of like orange and set orange and the laser and located, such as this one. And for this side, this page, it's about the command. For this, maybe I'm not. Maybe it's more professional, more hard to make you. But don't worry, you can just easily control by this page to make it to work and control and operate your machine. Okay, this is about the control page. Okay, let's see about the library, what we have in the library. Here you can see the library. Here there are a lot of the pictures as for the default we provide in this library. And some people maybe need the sample picture, and it's very hard to find, and you have to spend a lot of time to search in Google and some place. For example, if I'm a store like to do something, I want to engraving a logo as for select some picture image as for my logo, and there have a lot of choice you can choose by, and like the address, this one for address, and this image as for this are very useful, and except this, and also we have others. For example, if I want to open a hamburger shop, maybe I need a hamburger as my logo for the hamburger restaurant, and maybe I will choose this one, selector. Then I can just select this one and use this and do some adjust for this logo and the brightness and the sharpness and also the highlight. Okay, it's kind of like the beauty camera you can easily to use to do some later adjustment for this picture. Okay, when you finish the adjust, and let's see the next step, we can do what. And also there is a filter you can use with. Okay. And also the core. Okay, let's see the next what is. Okay, the next thing here is to, when you start to engraving this one, you need to adjust the size you want to engrave. So here I'm just take this as an example to show you guys. So I will make it more big, as you can see it clearly. So this one I adjust the big size for this one to engraving. And you can adjust that here, and if you know the detail about the size for the width and the height, of course you can edit here to input the numbers for the parameter. And except for this, there have the next step is about the configuration here. The configuration here is, you can see here there is a lot of the material you can use for example, if you are use the stainless steel and the plywood and also the pie board and the paper board and the colored A4 paper and the craft paper and laser and some other non-woven fabrics and acrylics and the stones and the ceramics and plated metal and anodized aluminum. Anyway, for this, we according to the different material, and we already default with the default setting for this parameter. If you want to engrave it on the store, you can just select this one as for your default parameter here. Of course, if you want to do some change for the settings, of course you can edit here to the edit here for the laser power and the speed and the times. And the laser module is dynamics or statics. And also the directions with the three directions you can choose, and for the quality. Anyway, because I think for this one is very friendly for the beginning user, if who is as for the beginning level for using this kind of the laser machine, maybe it will be hard for him or for her to learn about the this kind of the complex software. Okay, it doesn't matter. You can just easily use by this application to control the laser machine and to make it to work for you. And after we finish the configure, and let's say the next step is about the control. Okay, for the control, it's the next step for you want to adjust the machine and adjust the laser head to which place and which area you want to engrave it on, and use the located and laser and original, this to help you to find the area to work in. Okay, and we'll finish this, and you can just to click the start here, and then the machine will to start working. Okay, here I'm just to show you the functions. After I finished to all the functions to you, and we will use this application to make it to work. And this is about the library. We provide the different image here for you to, maybe you will need to use here this images to engraving. And except for the library, and this one is we call the album, the functions to use the pictures in this album to select. For example, if I select this one, and this one is the picture already in my iPad, so I just select it and then I use to engraving. It's very easy to use, right? And it's very simple to understand, and you don't have to do the complex step to use the picture to transfer some files or something. You just select the picture and then use to engraving. It's very easy, right? And it's same like for the adjust setting and then configuration for the different material, and then you set for the different the setting, and then back to our control. For this control step, you have to That means after you control this one and then start, it will start working and engraving this picture. Okay, this is about the bound for this function. And let's see the next function. The next function is about the text. For the text, what we can do, sometimes maybe we will engrave, just we need to engrave the simple words like the logo and someone's name, right? We have a lot of friends that are doing, provide their customized the service for like to engraving their customer's name and maybe their dog's name and the cat's name for the something like the dog tag and dog belt, or maybe some like the table wheels like that. For example, if I want to engrave my name, I can just here as my name is Tina, so I just use this one to as for example to show you guys. I input here is the Tina. Okay, T-I-N-A. Okay, this is my name. I just simply to input, type here, and then okay, we can do some later setting for the words, the text. For example, there we have some the fonts you can choose. Now I'm sure you this is about our fonts. Some different fonts you can use for, and this one and this one. Maybe I better like which one will be more beautiful? Let's see. I think this one. Okay, I prefer like this one. Okay, for this one I selected the font, and then if you need the hollow, of course you can choose the hollow to make it like this. And I don't need, so I don't need to untilt and the transform and the underline. Okay. Okay. And when I finish this one, let's see the next step what is. Okay, the next step is just like you are going to start to engraving and do some setting for the what's the size you want to engraving for your things, for your stuff you want to engraving on, and this you can adjust the size, and then also you can just input here for the size. Okay. And adjustment for the brightness, context, and like these things. Anyway, you can adjust it according to what you want. And then we back to the select this material. And if I want to engraving on the pine wood, and I select this one, and there already have some the default setting for this one. Of course you can choose and you can type in and change this by yourself. For example, you can choose the power, and you can select the speed, and with the static and the direction, quality, and then our next step is our last step for the control. When you finish this control, and you will going to start working, to start to engrave, and just click here, and then it will start work. Okay, and except for the text, also we have let's see this function about history. What's the history for? History is like the memorable things, the functions, like for whatever you did for this one, and there will be things and remember here. And for the next time, if you want to engraving the same picture and with the same parameter, with the same settings, okay, you can just use this one. For example, and this is what I used before, and there is with the date and with the parameter, the settings here. And if you want to use, you can just click here and use it. Okay, this is about the history, and then this about the file. Okay, let's see. For this file, sometimes maybe we have a lot of friends will need to search the file in the Facebook the group, and there are some people will share their files for our friends, and also you can download and upload to the application. Then you can use the file directly. This is about some of the is, for example, okay, and some are already, we have some files here and we just need to use it directly. And this is about file, and let's see this, we call barcode and QR code. For these two functions, I think it's very used frequently for the commercials use. If you want to engraving for your barcode as for, or the QR code as for your business use or maybe commercial use, and maybe you will use this one. For this one, please enter the text information here. For example, I use my name. If I say I love you, let's see this one. And okay, here I'm just click something as for example to show you. And here is there's with the chant with the barcode. And also you can add the text below the barcode. And here with the words is here. And if you are not select this, okay, there won't be any words here. And this is about the barcode. And for the QR code, it can for the, for example, you can text or with the URL here. For example, I use my name, Tina. And here the barcode is changed, and here is the barcode here. And if I scan this QR code, and it will show my name, Tina. And the next is do with just engraving here, and then it's back to our control. Okay, this about the, from this page you can see about now we have all the functions with the application. Okay, now we finished to introduce the each functions, and now we are going to use this application to really let's test this machine to make it work now. So, okay, give to you.
Yes, now we will start to use our apps to show you how to use it and to do engraving to show you the as an example, right, Tina?
Yes.
We have a lot of friends also leave comments, so we also welcome you to watch our live stream and stay with us. And later, after we finish the engraving, we will start the first lucky draw. And also, we have friends ask what the giveaway prize. I will comment that the first prize is Y-axis rotatory roller.
Yes.
The second prize is 10 watts, the Ortur 10
watts laser
modules. And the third one, of course, is the biggest prize is the Ortur Laser Master 3.
Yes, of course, I think everyone to get the biggest surprise.
Yes, but I think this 3 is also very useful for our auditoriums, right?
Yes. Actually, no matter which one you get, also you can use for your the laser use with our machine, right?
Yes.
Okay, the machine is start working now.
Yes. So our technician Shankar is now operating the apps.
Yes. Let's show me. Now we Shankar, are using.
Can you bring it to us? Yes.
Yes. Now as you can see here, maybe we already used the iPad to control it to start working now. And this is we use the iPad to start working now. And let's see what will be finished. Oh my god. Sorry.
Oh, it's okay.
Oh my god. Okay. Okay. And let's see what we'll do for finish this, and we will show it to our friends. Okay.
So now we'll start to engraving our auto logos.
Yes,
and
we will.
also just after finish the engraving, we will start the first lucky draw, right?
Yes.
So we just mentioned that the apps, right?
Yes.
Actually, for the apps, it belongs to now for you already. Maybe some friends already know that for our auto laser master 3.
Yes.
Yes. So some friends are remind us we need to wear the glasses when we start the engraving. So we need to, I think, to obey, conform to these rules, right?
Yes.
Okay. So talk about that for our auto laser mastery. Actually, we have 3 words: the smarter,
Yeah.
faster, and safer.
Yes.
So aspect about the smarter, that for our apps actually is also one of the point of the smarter, because for our apps, for some laser engraver there will be some offline screen, but for our auto laser mastery there's no screen, because we already did some upgrading our motherboard, and also there is a built-in Wi-Fi, so it can connect with the iPad or iPhone, right?
Yes.
And so for our Laser Explorer, I just Tina show you that is very professional and very easy, and also very friendly to the beginners, right?
Yes.
So because Tina, I think you are also beginners, right?
Yes. And some of our friends say auto laser mastery is so fast, right?
Yes.
And for today we are using the speed is the
20,000 millimeters.
yeah we are using for the 20,000 we're using
Yeah.
right today.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So go back to the apps. There's another point is very important, is that it can support the iPhone,
Yeah, iPhone,
Android phone,
Android,
iPad, as we
iPad.
just used, and also the Android tablet.
Yes.
So you do not need worry that if you can work with your iOS system or your Android system, right?
Yes.
So it's about the apps. Actually, we have another one that is Web UI. So do you know what is Web UI?
I remember for the web UI, for me, easily to understand, it's like just a website.
Yes.
Yes, right.
Yes. So before, when we use the laser engraver, we need to download the Lightbone
Yes.
or laser GRBL, so
Yes.
we can use with our machines.
Yes.
But with the website, you do not need to download the laser GRBL or Lightbone. You just download our website and log in, and then you can start to use it. And also that there's another function that you can see actually in our machine, our auto laser mastery, there is a TF card, right?
Yes, here is
Here.
TF card, the plug, we can plug in the TF card here, right?
Yes,
That place.
actually, when you use the website, you can upload the files, and the
Yeah.
files will be sent to the TF card.
Okay.
So after the file is in the TF card, if you want to close the computer and to use the computer
Oh my God,
to
it's
other
so
things,
fast.
then
Just
you can
turn
to just the engraving will be continued.
Yes. Shank, is this finished? Okay, it's already finished. Let's show our friends.
Yes. Okay, so we finished the auto logos. So maybe we can take out the glasses.
Yes.
So can we use another to show?
Yes. And
We use another
let's do this again. And
another speed, 15,000.
yes, we can. At the beginning, for the first time, we used the 20,000 millimeter, and
it's very fast.
Yeah, it's so fast. Some friend will say the speed is so fast, right?
Yes.
And then we will use the 15,000 millimeter. Try to use this speed to try again. Let's see this one.
Yes.
And you mentioned about the web UI, right?
Yes. So what we are that I mentioned that if we send the files in the tape card,
Yes.
and if you want to to use the computer for other other things, you can close the computer.
Yes.
But the engraving will be continued.
Oh, that means so even though I shut down, I power off my computer, my laptop, but Because for the file, it's already uploaded to the TF card in the machine.
Yes.
So it will continue to finish the engraving even though I closed my laptop.
Yes, laptop or computers.
Okay, I got. This sounds very, very smart.
Yes. Okay, so we will show you the another engraving at the speed, 15,000. Okay. The power is 100%.
Okay.
So
Let's
we
see.
talk about to show you the web UI, and for our last live stream, we will show you
Yes.
these functions because for today, we are mainly show you the apps because we do not want you to mix it and then you know every functions of our Auto Laser Master 3, right?
Yes.
And this is actually the second point for the smarter. And for the third one is that you can see actually we have a lot of connections mode.
You mean before, I remember they're only for the
USB, right?
Yeah, only with the USB connection. But you mean for this Auto Laser Mastery have more than USB, right?
Yes. So except for the USB serial boards, actually we have the built-in Wi-Fi. So we can actually for our iPad it's connected with Wi-Fi, right?
Yes.
And also another is the AP. AP, you know, is what is short for is the access point.
Oh, access point.
Yes,
Okay, I
it's
got.
like a hotspot, right?
Oh, I
So
got.
there is a lot of connection mode. And the first point you can see there is actually for Auto Laser Mastery, you can see there is a limit switch on
Yes.
the corners, right?
So that actually from the outside looking, actually there is no physically the limit switch.
Yes.
But we have the sensor inside of this corner here.
Yes. For corners, there's sensors. So when you are the laser modules or they are close to the sensors, they will stop.
Oh, I got. So
So-
that's so smart.
Yes. So we
Really
also-
smart.
Very small. So it's called the smart limit switch.
Yes.
So for the smarter, we mainly show is 4 points.
Yes.
The apps, the Laser Explorer. The
Yes.
second one is the web UI. And the third one is the multi-connection. And the
Multi-connection.
first is the smart limit switch.
Yeah.
So it's why we call it the smart Auto Laser Master 3, right?
Okay.
Later we will also show you the safer. And for the speed, for the faster, I think everyone is know that it's really fast because before maybe you take 3 to 4 hours to engrave a very big paintings, but for today it's only take 1 hour and 70 minutes to make a very big paintings. So it really saves us our time, and then you can make more works, or you can use this time to do other things, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we just want to show you that the two engraving at different speeds. One speed is 20,000 millimeters per minute, and the second one is the 15,000 millimeters, right?
Okay, it's okay. Let's see.
Yes, I think it's finished about 16, right?
Okay. And when we finish this, we will going to start the first one, the lucky draw. Let's see how many friends here. Okay, we have some friends here, and okay,
Yes.
we will give you times
Can you see
and
clearly?
it's all green.
With
Okay.
all green glasses, I cannot see your comments clear. But later, after finish the engraving, I will take out the
Yes.
glasses.
When we finish this engraving, and we will start our first round for the lucky draw. You guys
Yes.
remember the first one? What's the prize?
This one, the one-axis rotatory roller, right?
Yes, this one is the first one, the prize for our today lucky draw. So let's see, and we will let's finish this first, and then we will start our lucky draw.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, and we try it again, and it's all about the for here is with the
Yes.
detail.
So
Okay.
you can see that it's very fast to finish a logo that auto, right?
Yes. Okay. Are you guys ready?
Are you ready to get the first prize?
Let's
the
see.
Y-axis rotatory roller.
How many people are ready here? Are you guys ready? And don't
28.
don't forget typing the keyword is Ortur laser mastering. And I will give you 1 or 2 minutes to reading. And make sure you want to engraving for typing the keywords on the surface. You have to do this before I start count the 5 numbers, right?
Yes.
Because maybe some of our friends maybe ask why there is no name of mine on the page, because I'm keep typing. Because maybe what's the problem? Maybe it will be like because of the internet delay.
Yes.
Because we are here in China, maybe you are here in the Europe, maybe you are in the American.
Yes. So there is also the internet delay, or there is a time zone delay, right?
Yes. So better you to keep the comment, leave the comment, the keyword, and before I start count the 5 numbers, and then before I finish start the 5 numbers, my partner Claire, she will do the screenshot, and let's see whose comment will be on the screenshot page and at the third line for the comments, and
yes.
who will be the lucky winner. Okay, rules again. Only have one chance to get the prize. No matter what prize you get, you only have one chance.
Yes.
Wow, a lot of friends do this now. Okay, are you guys ready? You ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, what about you? Are you ready?
If you are ready, you can tap the ready, but do not forget to tap the Ortur laser mastery, because it's the most important that if you are in my screenshot, right?
Yes. Okay, I'm going to start count the 5 numbers.
Okay.
Okay, let's see. It's an exciting moment coming.
You already tell the rules to all of them, right?
Yes.
So the winner will be in the third line, right?
Yeah, the winner will be the third line on the screenshot page. So, and don't forget about the keyword. What's the keyword today?
Ortur laser mastery.
Yes, Ortur laser master 3 is our keywords. Okay, I'm going to count the 5 numbers. 5. Let me see.
Yes.
5. Oh my God, exciting moment. 4. Okay, are you guys ready? 4, 3. Okay, it's very close. 3, 2. Are you ready? 2.
I'm ready.
1. Okay, let's do the screenshot.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Let's see. Oh, the lucky winner is Michael Ears.
Yes, I will send it to. We'll give the screenshot to
show you all friends about for the first one, our lucky winner, and today our first one lucky winner is this one, Y-axis rotary roller. So congratulations, you got this one. And after we finish the live stream, and we will contact you, or you can just contact us, and we will arrange the shipment for the price for you, right?
Yes. So Michael Alice Wonderpool is won the prize is the Y-axis rotatory roller, right?
Yes.
So Isa will be show the screenshot on the screen, so it will stay for 5 seconds. You can check if you are the winners, because we want to ensure it is fair.
Yeah, of course we do. It's very fair, and we do the screenshot and show you all guys at the moment, and also when we finish the screenshot, we will show the page for you guys immediately, right?
Yes, and also you can invite your friends to watch our live stream. Maybe you already want the prize, but your friends still not. So you can invite them to join our live stream, and maybe they have the chance to win the prize.
That sounds really a good idea. So that even though I got the prize, maybe I can invite my friend to come to our live stream. If for example he don't want to. he don't want to get the price, maybe he can give to me or
Yes.
or sell to me with the lower price, right?
Yes, maybe also your friends are lucky winners, right?
Yes,
They are lucky
maybe your
today and to win the giveaway prize, right?
Yes. Okay, even though you are not get the price, don't be upside. We still have 2 runs for the second run and the third run,
Yes.
and we still have our the price. Like this one is 10 watts
Laser modules.
laser module, and our biggest prize auto laser mastery as the biggest prize today.
And also for today, actually we are looking for global agents and our business partners. So if you are interested to resell our laser engraver, auto
Yes.
laser engraver, you can leave message us, you can WhatsApp, because we have the WhatsApp in the home page, and also email. You can send to our email and the WhatsApp. Our sales and our team will reply you. And also, of course, you can leave messenger to us.
Yes.
We will also to reply you. For our global agent or our business partners, we will support you at these points. Of course, first is the price. If you are our global agent, we will give you a very good price to support you at the local countries, right?
Yes.
And the second point is that for the after-sales service, because maybe you are concerned about that, we have after-sales service website system is auto.tech and support. We have the English engineer, after-sale engineer will reply you within 24 hours to your end customers.
Yes.
So you do not need to worry about the after-sale service, because it may take some time for you.
Yes.
And of course, if you are our agent, we'll give you the one-to-one after-sale service to you, so you can get the the reply immediately, right?
Yes.
And the third one is that we will give you some marketing support, like to find local influencer for you,
Wow.
or supply some marketing fund to help you to do the promotion locally.
Yes.
And the fourth is that, of course, we will give you the marketing materials. The marketing materials is the main product photos, the detailed product photos, and also some poster we can help you to design and to help. And also, we will send you all kinds of videos we took, so you can do some promotions. And the last one is that we have the overseas warehouse in Europe and the USA. So if you want to ship it very fast, maybe 3 days, we can help you to achieve it. Of course, we have more supports are waiting for you. So if you are interested to be our global agent, or the distributors,
Yes.
and also you want to resell our auto laser master 3 and our auto laser engraver, you can contact us to WhatsApp us, email us, or messenger us, right?
Yes.
So today we are mainly is to looking for global agent. So
Yes.
we just want to show you that we are here to help you to expand your business, and also that to give you our full support to be our partners. We want to make money together. We want to expand the market together, right?
Yeah, that sounds. It really sounds great. Even though for me, if I'm not with this company, I want to join with this one and to do as for the business partner with you, right?
Yes. So if you are interested, you just messenger us, WhatsApp us, email us, right?
Yes.
So now we will show you the real cuttings for 10 millimeters,
Yes.
acrylic and panwood again, because maybe some friends they missed our last previous live stream, so they are not know if they are maybe they are questioning or doubtful about if we can cut 10 millimeters.
Yeah.
At real, right?
Yeah, today we are doing this text again, and by one pass cutting for 10 millimeter, the pie wood, and also we will cutting this acrylic for 10 millimeter, and also by one pass.
Yes.
And actually, we already did a lot of this kind of text to show our friend for our true power for the 10 watts, right?
Yes.
Maybe for some machine need to 20 watts to cut the 10 millimeter, but for us we can just 10 watts to cut 10 millimeter.
Yes. Because we want to make the most use of the pine wood. You can see there's a lot of cutting test. Okay.
And some of friends maybe have some question. And of course, we have a lot of our colleagues and ourselves, and we'll reply you about what's the questions you leave here. And don't worry, for any questions, if you are interested about us to be the business partner or become the global agent or the distributor, yes, we will contact with you, or you can just contact us directly, right?
Yes. So we today are looking for the global agent, and we are also to show you the functions of our apps. Tina, just I think you take 10 minutes or more time to show our friends about the service and each functions of our apps, right?
Yes.
And now we will show you the 10 millimeters cuttings.
Yes, and after we finish the cutting, and we will use these tools to measure it and show closely to our friends about it. That's really 10 millimeter. Of course, I will show you.
Yes. And also that for the first winner that we will, you just messenger us and tell us your full name, email, telephone number, and also delivery address. You can send it through the messenger so that we can collect your information and then arrange the shipping to you, right?
Yes.
Because every time when some friends want the price, they forgot to send us these messages.
Yes.
So if you are, especially for the micro, if you are still here, you just messenger us with your full name, your email, your telephone number, and also delivery address, so that we can arrange the shipping to you, right?
Don't worry. I think, of course, then we'll contact with. Even though you are not contact with, I will contact you, right?
Yes.
To find you, and this is a surprise for you, so don't miss it, right?
Yes, there's some friends asking if we are offer drop shipping, right?
Yes.
Of course, we can do the drop shipping. So for the policy, you can talk with our sales. They will tell you the details, right?
Yes.
Alisa, okay. So now we will start the cuttings.
Cutting. Yes. This cutting one is the material is pine wood. Okay, let's see. Let's do this one by the 10 millimeter one pass cutting.
Yes. So we need to wear the goggles, so we have the friends that will not say that you're not wear the goggles is not a good.
Yes, actually we for our laser module we already designed here for this shell is the protector for the laser.
Yes.
This is the shell, and if you still worry about that, of course you can wear this protector glass too for the double protection.
Yes. So, Alisa, the internet is not good. We can see that it's already locked. The internet.
Maybe a later.
Yeah, the internet is not stable, so we need to check it.
Make sure all okay for every detail and for the internet.
Yes. So after we do the 10 minutes cutting testing, we will start our second round, the lucky draw, right?
Yes, after we finish this one, and we will start our second round, the lucky draw. And the lucky draw giveaway will be this kind of the Ortur 10 watts laser module.
You know, for this one, they're already out of stock. There are a lot of friends that place orders because it's really good, very
hot
good.
selling.
Yeah, hot selling, and because it is very powerful, you know, for the cutting and also for the engraving. It's very fast and also can cut 10 millimeters acrylic or the pine wood. So it means some friends they already have a machine. They buy these 10 watts laser modules to do the upgrading.
Yes, for upgrading, actually it's not can only use for the new product Ortur laser mastery, right?
Yes.
Okay, now we finished this. Let's see this one.
Yes. Oh,
okay.
Yeah, we already got it, yes.
Yes, let's show this one to our friend. It's stuck here. Okay, this. Actually, for the detail, it's very clean.
Yes.
For the edge here. And use the meters to.
Yes.
You will not turn on.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I think I'm not so, but I think we can show.
Okay, we just by one pass cutting for the 10 millimeter this pine wood here.
Yes.
You guys can see this one. It's the 10 watt. It's 10 millimeter, right?
You can see it clearly. Okay. So if you want to do some like 10 millimeters thickness
Yes.
At one pass, you can choose our 10 watts laser modules. Of course, you can choose our Ortur Laser Master 3. So the second price, giveaway price, is 10 watts laser modules.
Yes.
If you already have our Ortur laser engraver, you can, I think the 10 watts laser modules will be the best suitable thing items for you, right?
And now we try this our ugly.
Yes.
Okay. I need a little help from our colleague. Let's do this one. Okay. Need got this one. Focus point.
Of course, if you have any questions, you can leave the comments. Okay, Shanka, you want to help us? Okay.
Okay, then let them help us.
So the baby think you're not professional. Actually, you can do it, right?
Yeah, of course it's easy, right? It's
Yes,
not hard.
very easy. So because we have the focal point, this part, right?
Yes, you can just put this one here and.
But we need to give Shanka more chances to use the machine because I think it is a good thing.
Okay.
He's very young.
Okay. And for this material is acrylic and also it's with the 10 millimeter and we do the test is one pass cutting for the 10 millimeter acrylic and pine wood.
Yes.
And just a few minutes before we finish the one pass cutting for this kind of the pine wood for the 10 millimeter and you can see the edges is very clean.
Yes.
And beautiful here for details.
Also, for the max thickness, we test the 30 millimeters, and you just do the multi-cuttings. And also, we upload the video in our YouTube channels, the Ortur official, right?
So you mean 30 millimeter? It's like a 3 centimeter.
Yes.
Like 3. Wow, it's very thick here, like this one.
Yes.
Around
So if you want to do some thicker acrylic or some thicker pine wood or plywood, and you can also just do multi-cuttings, right?
Okay, I got.
Yes. So I think for the cuttings, we have a lot of friends. They are very concerned about it, about the one pass or multi-cuttings.
Yes.
So for today, we are showing you again about the 10 millimeters cuttings for the acrylic and also for the pine wood, right?
Yeah, actually at the beginning we showed you, we engraving the logo to show about the speed of some of our friends who said, wow, it's so fast. Yes, the speed is so fast. So let's see the power. Let's see the power. Is that really strong?
Yes. First, we need to wear the goggles
because
this is the good way to show to our friends. If you start engraving, you need to wear the goggles.
Yes.
But for us, actually, we also have the covers that can filter the light from the eyes, but we still remind you to wear the goggles because it's a good way to tell our friends.
Yes. Okay, let's see how many friends here is 35 now.
Yes.
And we will finish this. We will start the second one, the lucky draw.
Yes.
And the giveaway, the prize will be the
10 watts laser modules.
Yes.
And also this one is very powerful, and also if you already have Ortur laser engraver, it's really a good part, a laser modules to do the upgrading for your machines because it can help you to do more cuttings and also to make the engraving faster than ever, right?
Yes.
Okay, so after we finish this cuttings 10 millimeters acrylic, we will start the second lucky draw. So stay with us. And if you already the winners like the macula, you can invite your friends to join our live stream. Maybe she or he will be the winners.
Yes.
And then you can share the luck, right?
Yes. Just a few minutes will be finished, and then we will start the second one, the lucky draw.
Yes. And also that for the cuttings, if you want to do the 30 millimeters on the acrylic or pan wood, you just need to do more times, right?
Yes.
So if you want to see these functions, you can check our YouTube channels like the Ortur official, right?
Yes.
So you just also we have a lot of technical videos in YouTube. Ortur official, you can see a lot of like how to operate the apps, how to operate in iPhone, how to operate to
okay,
use
it's already
web
done.
UI.
Let's see. It's already finished.
Yes.
Let's see this one. Okay, maybe need try again.
Yes. Not in a good speed.
Try with the speed.
So Shanker is not professional today, right?
Yes. It doesn't matter. We need to give our young people more chance, more opportunity.
We charge the test is 15. Answer 15, 50. The speed 50. Yes. So today we show you that the apps.
Yes.
The apps for the Laser Explorer that we can support the iPhone, Android phone, iPad, and Android tablet, right?
Yes.
And also we mentioned the 4 points about the smarter, the apps, the web UI, and also the multi-connection.
Yes,
mode.
multi-connection.
And also the smart limit switch, because you can see here actually there is no physical limit switch.
Yeah,
actually it has this function.
Yes. And also there, you guys maybe you can see here with the productor or the new productor Ultimate Mastery with the design, it looks more beautiful. And for the structure, it's not only for beautiful. Of course, they have some will be a good benefit for the speed, right?
Yes. Okay. We start again. So we just want to show you the two tests. So what we can do, we do not want to have any lie to you, because you will, when you receive it, what functions we test here and what you get at home, right?
Yes.
And also we want to be true to our global agent, right?
Yes. For me, actually, as for the business partner, for this one, I think it will be for the best selling in the future. Because this one is not only for the with a good performing at the speed, but also it have a big picture, and this picture is very amazing picture. It's about the smart.
Yes.
So that means we can get more the customer, because for the smart application and web UI, it's very friendly to the newbie, to the beginning level.
Yes.
So that means we can get more guests, maybe who are interested about the laser machine, but he is confused, and he or she maybe think it's very hard for her to learn the software to operate this machine. Don't worry, if you are just a newbie, try this one, and even though you just try once, I think you will fall in love with this one.
Yes. So we just want to that if you maybe know about the laser engraver, but after you want to try it, it's very easy for you to use our Auto Laser Mastery. This is the aim, what we are doing, right? The purpose, what we are doing. So we just want to show everything is friendly and easy for you to use. Then you can make a very good works, right?
Maybe we can start our second round lucky draw, right?
Yes. So friends, are you here? Are you ready to get the second prize, right?
Okay, let's see how many friends here, and are you all guys ready? And for the second round, the lucky draw, the prize to give away will be this kind of the Ortur 10 watts. Okay, it's already done. Let's try it.
Okay.
Okay.
So now it's 15.
Yeah, the speed is 15.
It's 15. So maybe we need to try 14.
Yeah, let's try the 14.
Also, I think we need to make a good focal point position, right?
Yes.
So we will start the second lucky draw,
Yeah,
right?
second lucky draw. And the second lucky draw is the price is this one, 10 watts, the laser module.
Yes. So it can suitable for all the Ortur Laser Master series, right?
Okay, you guys already right? And I will
let's
tell
go
you
here.
again about the rules.
Yes.
For everyone, only have one chance to get the prize. And if you already get the prize at the first round, and then you participate for the second round, and even though you are lucky winner for the second round, and because of you already get the prize, so for the second round, the prize will give to the postpone to the fourth line for the comment on the screen shot.
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to count the 5 numbers. Okay, you guys ready?
I see Suvi, Aya, Larry, Alex.
Yeah, there is one of my friends also here. Welcome,
Yeah.
you come, and we hope you stay here with us. Okay, I'm going to count 5 numbers now.
Yes.
Hope you guys will be the lucky winner. 5,
Yes.
4.
I think there's no movement.
Okay, let's
Let me check the internet first. I don't want that you may be okay. So now.
You guys
so
ready?
practice. You're
Still
ready?
Later. Wait.
Okay.
There's some stuck here. Let's try again.
Okay.
How to-
It's good. Good. Okay.
Okay, it's back to normal now. Okay, 4. Let's see this one. 4, 3. Are you all guys ready? 2, and don't forget our keyword today. Our keyword. What is our keyword?
Ortur Laser Master 3.
Okay, you guys ready? I'm going to do the screen. We'll be close to here. 2, and the last
1.5.
1. Okay, let's do the screenshot.
Okay. I finished?
Yeah,
Okay.
you finished screenshot. Let's see who is. Oh my God, there is our
Just
fan.
wait.
Let's-
Okay, I will send it to the group.
Okay.
Just right.
Yes.
Samuel, what?
Samuel Young. Congratulations, you are the lucky winner to get our prize. And for the second round, for this prize, what you get is this Ortur and 10 watts Ortur. This one, or Ortur 10 watts and the laser module. For this
Yes.
one, is
Yes.
for the second round the prize.
Yes. So you
Congratulations.
just tell us your full name, email, telephone number, and delivery address, and
Yes.
we will arrange the shipping, right?
Yes, after we finish the live stream, we will arrange this and contact you. And also you can contact with our sales directly, right?
Yes. And today we're here to looking for our global agents and also our business partners to resell our Ortur laser engravers. So if you are interested, you just WhatsApp us and email us or message us. Because
Yes.
we have the WhatsApp number, email address in our Ortur homepage. Or of course, you can message us and to show us if you have interested to be our global agent or distributors. And for our global distributors or agents, we will support you at this point. The first one, of course, is the price. And for the price, we will give you a distributor or agent price, which will be very attractive because we want to make money together.
Yes.
And the second one is the marketing materials, like
Yes.
the photos, or the detailed product
And the videos.
Yeah. And also, of course, some posters you want us to help to make, and then you can maybe to upload your website or put in your real store.
Yes.
And the third point is very important is the after-sales service. Is that we will have the after-sales service system that the Ortur.tech, this one. Okay. So we maybe just stop to show you that we already finished the cutting for the 10 millimeters.
Yes. Let's show our friend.
Yes. Yes, you can see that it's for this speed is 13 or 14. Elsa is 30 or 40.
Some of our friends say, can you share the contact information for WhatsApp?
So, Ariel, can you share your WhatsApp number in the comments?
Yes, we have our lot of the sales and
yeah, where sales is
yes.
here in the comments. They will leave you the WhatsApp number. So
yes.
if you are interested, you just message them, or they will also contact you.
Okay, some of our friends, can you tell us about the app? Okay, I will show you again about the
maybe
app.
3 minutes.
Yes, after 3 minutes we show this, and then we will show you again about all the functions for the application.
Yes. So we just want to show you that we do the 10 millimeters cutting. It's
yes.
real, and also we just want to give you the results that we promise, because we want to show you that what we did here is what you can get at your home, right?
Yes.
Okay, so back to the support points for the distributors. We just talk about after-sales service, right?
Yes.
So we have the after-sales service system website is Ortur.tech the support.
Okay, there are some of our friends say, what is the maximum cut depth with the focal range of this laser? Oh, actually we tested the maximum is
30.
Yes, 30. That means 3 centimeter is 30 like this thickness. It's very thin.
Yes. And also that for the after-sales service, that for the end users, we use the system is the Ortur.tech and the support. But if you are our distributors, we will also give you the one-to-one after-sales service support. And the first is that we will also help you to do some promotion locally. So like we will help you to look for the KOL or influencer to promote your website or your real store.
Yeah.
And also that maybe we also supply the marketing fund for you to do the local promotion, right?
Yes.
And the last one is that we have the overseas warehouse in Europe and the USA, so we can also help to ship the goods within 3 days, right?
Yes.
So if you are our global agent or our distributors to resell our alternate engraver, we will give you a lot of support so that to make sure that we can expand the market together and we can make the money together, and also to make the Ortur brand to be the #1, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we just have friends that want to know more. Know again about apps, because maybe they just get into our live stream. They already missed our the previous live stream, so they want to know about our apps. So Tina will show them again.
Yes.
Okay, so Tina will show you the service and also the each details of our apps again. So if you have some questions, you can ask. We are here to reply you. Okay.
It's okay here?
Yes. Is there good pictures?
Okay. First you can hear for this app. Hi, for the application, the name we call the Laser Explorer. And for this application, you can download from the Apple store, or maybe for the Android phone, you can download from the Google store. And then when you finish the download here, and then you click this software, the application, and connector, you can see here is the functions. We can see here for our what we can use for. Okay, the first function here is the control, and here is the library, and album, and text, and history, and file, and barcode, QR code. Okay, here's the functions. Let's see this one by one. The first is about control. For this control is to control this machine to keep it to move, the laser head to move. And like this, maybe you will use mostly like the set orange and orange laser and located and fine light and flame and vibration. Okay, this is the control. Let's see, except for control this library. What's the library? Actually, for the library, we have a lot of the default, the image and picture here. You can use it directly. That will be more convenient for you guys to select and choose a picture. If, for example, if I want to make a business card and make something, and for example, use this as the image as for the address, with the address, and use this image as the contact information. And also we can use these other images. Maybe you will use like, anyway, there are a lot of things you can choose, and maybe in the future there will be more and more here. Now I'm just select anyone to as for example to show you guys. For example, if I'm going to start to open a glasses store and a glasses shop, and I want to use the glasses as my logo. Okay, I want to engrave it on my business card for the picture. For example, I choose this one. Okay, here is picture, and we do some later adjust for this picture. And this kind of like the beauty camera for some ladies will be used. It's very normal and easy to do the setting, right? Okay, the next step, we finished the picture, and the next step you can see here, and you can adjust the size you want to engraving here, and also here about you want to write here about detail, exact the specific the voice and the hands. Okay, finish the size, and there the next step is about here is the configurator. Let's see what's the configurator here. Configurator here, there is a lot of the material with the setting with the parameter. It's already been there for different material. So that means for some people, I have no idea if I want to engraving the logo on the laser, and what's the power and what speed I should use. Don't worry, we give you provide you for the settings. For example, I choose the laser. Okay, if the laser, and with the speed, maybe I will use the 3000 millimeter for each minute, and for the power, we will recommend you use the 16% for the power. And of course, if you want to make other change, make a later change, of course you can here to do some change for this one. For difference the power, you can write down here, and also with the speed you can choose and select or write down here to do some later change. And then with the times later module and dynamic or the static. Anyway, you can use the default setting, and also you can do the change for yourself. After finish the configurator, the next step is control. It's going to start working, and finish the control, and you already set and located where the engraving area, engraving place for you want to engrave on. And the next step is to click here to start and to start working. And here today I'm just to show you about functions. So let's go back. Okay, this is about library, and except the library, what we have another about this album. For this album, you can see here this about picture on the app on this iPad. Okay, I just select any of one. This is a picture about our Ortur logo. Okay, And we can do some little change. Okay, and after finish setting the picture, and then you see here to adjust the size for this one, for this picture, and configure it to select if I use the pine wood, and to set the power and speed, and what we can use for, and then back to the control and find to control the laser module to make it to move to which directions, and for how many the distance you want to it move to this side or this side. Okay, and finish all of this. Then you can click here, start working. This is about our album to the functions. And here, let's see the text. For this text, it's very normal to use for the commercial use. For example, I want to engrave my name on my necklace or on my kind of things. For example, if here I click here is Tina, my name is Tina, okay, and I enter the text here, and this is what I text here. What you can do here, you can choose the font with the different font. Okay, this is a little cute. I like this one. And then hollow and tilt and transform and underline. And this is, you can see it's very easy. You can for the light bone have this kind of function, right? But for our application, we have also, and it looks more easily to control, to use it. Okay. And let's see, next step is, here is the next. And then next step, and adjust the size here. And then, and here is about the image adjustment, and there is position size. And then, let's back to the material with the setting about speed, terms, and laser module, and the power here. And then, the control dashboard for this one, and then start working, and then it's finished. The machine will start working and engrave this. It's so fast, it's so easy, right? For the step, each step. This is about the text and about the history. For each one we did, and for everyone we did, you see here it's about history record here, and just in case if you want to engraving, like yesterday I did the engraving for the logo and for this name, or I want to do it again, okay? I just click here and open it, and it's again, it's just to show here and do this. It's about history. And about the fire, this fire is, sometimes our friend maybe will find the files which shared in the Facebook group, and we can just unload here and use directly to use the file to work, to engraving. And this tool is about the code for the barcode and QR code. For this tool, maybe mostly it's very common for the commercial use. If you want to engrave the code, if I'm just type something here, and if you select this one, there's about the words here, show this add text below barcode. Here, you can see here. And then next to do the engraving here, or do something here. Okay. And this about barcode. And let's see the QR code. QR code, you can text here, or with the URL here. For example, I just click something here. Okay. Okay, you can see this, the bug about the QR code here. And then next, configuration and control here. Okay, this is all about the functions. You can see here about the application. Okay, let's finish the introduce for you can see here about the application here.
Okay. So Tina, you just show us that how to use our
yes
app, right?
Yes.
So For the apps, actually it belongs to the smarter we just mentioned for our first selling point.
Yes.
So for the apps that, as I'm just leave message in the comments that for our apps, it supports the iPad, Android tablet, the iPhone, and also the Android phone, right?
Yes,
and
yes.
Also that it's very professional because you just show them that it's very easy to operate, and also that the functions is there a lot for you to do the adjustment and to also give some guidance about how to set the speed or some power, right? It's very easy for the beginners, right?
Yes.
And the second one about the smarter that we mentioned that web UI. You remember what is web UI?
Yeah, a web UI actually is a website we use it's kind of like the application, right?
Yes, but it's still you need the laptop or computers, but
yes.
you do not need to download the Laser GRBL or Lightbone.
Yeah.
You just need to log on the website, and then you make some simple settings and you upload the files, and the files will be sent to the tape card. Then you just start the engraving. But if you want to use your computers for other purpose,
yes.
then you can close the computers and to take it away. But the engraving will be still continue because the files already be in the tape card.
Yeah, actually before the live stream, we showed our friends about the web UI function.
Yes.
Is that at first it's connected with our laptop, and then few minutes later we shut down and we power off the laptop, but our machine will continue to the engraving working until it's finished, right?
Yes. So if you are interested and you want to know, maybe next time we will show you the web UI functions.
Yes.
And the third point that you can see before, maybe we only use the USB cables to connect with the computer or laptop with our machines. But for today, actually, we use the Wi-Fi, the built-in Wi-Fi to connect the iPad with our machines, right?
Yes.
Except for the built-in Wi-Fi, we can also use the X point, the AP, the like hotspot, to connect the iPad or iPhone with our machines. And also, of course, it still supports the USB serial box, right?
Yeah, for that sounds really smart.
Yes, because maybe you do not take the USB cables, but you still want to use our Ortur Laser Master 3, then you can connect with our apps through the Wi-Fi, right?
Yes.
So the first point that you can see there is no physical limit reach.
Yeah.
So you can, I think it's beautiful first.
It's beautiful.
Yes, and also clean, and also that actually we still have this function because we have 4 corners, sensors on the corners, so it can sense the like the laser modules or the machines, right?
Yes.
So it still have these functions. This is why we call it smart. So if you want to know more about our smart functions, you can also leave comments in the Facebook or the messengers. Our sales will reply you and also give you the full specifications. So Tina, except for the smart, what other points we still have?
Yes. We have another 2 very important feature is about speed and safety.
Yes.
Actually, for the speed, as the first when we are do the engraving our logo Ortur, some of our friends say, "Wow, it's so fast." Yes, because for the speed, it's come for the 20,000 millimeter for each minute. So for how we can achieve this high speed, do you have an idea?
I think first is about the laser modules, right?
Yes, the first thing is about this laser module. Actually, for this laser module, it's extremely light, only 235 grams. Actually, before for any other laser module, maybe we're around 400 or 500 grams for the laser module. But for this one, only 235 grams. It's extremely light.
Yes.
And so extremely light can make it move so fast. Okay, except for this, and also we have for our structure for this machine, you can see actually it's for the height, it's very low. Why? Because for for the physically,
yes.
the structure is as lower as for the gravity. It can make it move faster. And also, except for this one, also for the third point, why it can be so fast, it's because of the motherboard. For the CPU and the motherboard here inside, we do the upgrade for this one.
It's like the chips that we made.
Yes, we made the upgrade. So
like a stronger brain, right?
yes. And here also for the, this about the smart, for the speed, and for the, if you want to know more about the safety, we have the around 7
yes.
points about safety. The first is the red button for the emergency, the switch. And then the second is about the safety lock here.
Yes.
And about the third is we call the pi position, the active, active position, the protection. And for the fourth is about the, we call the sloping position protection. And for the 5 point about the safety function is we call the laser exports and duration protection.
Yes.
And for the sixth point about the safety function is we call the voltage and the current monitor. Yes.
And the last one I think is the host computer watchdog. Right?
Yes. The 7th point is about the host computer watchdog.
Yes, and also for the first video we show in the live stream that you can see that we mentioned the 7 safety protection. So if you want to know more, you can recheck the live stream, and also we already upload this video to our YouTube channels, and you can check the Ortur official to know the safety functions, because it's may not easy to show you, but if you watch the video, you know what it means, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so we talk about the laser modules.
Yes.
You just mentioned the weight, because it's very light and also
super light,
stable, so it can use very fast and also to be used for a long time, right?
Yes, actually for this laser module, we have another special place. Like for example here, as you can see for the focus gauge here.
Yes, maybe we need to show our friends clearly that is a focal point part, right? To make it very easy.
It's built in here. You don't need any other tools to focus, right?
Yes.
And except you see here, what's the two sides of here inside here? Actually, it's the dual fan here.
Yes, there's a 2 fans here to make it the heat can get out very quickly, right?
Yes. And also here, this one here is a built-in air accessor.
Yes.
So if you want to connect with your air compressor, you can just plug it in and together. It's so easy.
Yes. So this is why that our 10 watts laser modules is more powerful, right?
Yes.
So we actually there is a switch here. So what's its function?
Actually, the switch here, there is a plug-in. You can just plug in, and there's a switch here. And it's for this side it's for Y model, and for this side is Y rotary roller. So means before you have to remove the cable for the Y model.
Yes.
And then now you don't need to remove. You just plug it in and use the switch to switch which side you want to use, right?
Yes. Switch on or switch off.
Yes.
If you want to use it, you just switch on. And if you do not want to use the wire, you just switch off. But you do not need to remove the cables, right?
Yes, for
and
this.
Put aside.
Yes, this is the switch. So it's very user-friendly design for this one.
Yes. So if you want to know more about our machines, you just leave the comments in our Facebook, and also that we show you that our 10 watts laser modules and our wire switch. And here you can see the emergency stop that you can press it and then it will stop. Actually, if you twist it, and then this one will be locked, so it will not move.
Yes.
And for this one, actually we have a key here.
Yes.
It's safety lock. So it helps you from the keys that will not use this machine when you are not at home, right?
Yes.
Okay. So we just show you that the smarter, the faster, and the safety, the 3 points. I think now is the time for the third lucky draw.
Okay, let's see how many friends here. Are you guys? Are you all here? we are going to start our third round, and that means our last round for the lucky draw. And what's the prize, Claire?
Ultra Mastery.
Oh my God, that's really the biggest prize for today, lucky draw today.
Yes.
And the prize, the giveaway is this one, the machine. Auto Laser Mastery, the whole machine, right?
Yes, so if you already the winners, you can also to invite your friends to watch our live stream.
Yes.
Maybe he or she will have the chance to win the Auto
Yes.
Laser Mastery. So we will wait you 2 minutes
Yes.
to get together here
Okay.
and be in our live stream to win the prize, right?
Yeah, let me say again about the rules.
Yes,
to say our
about
friends.
rules is very important because
Yes.
maybe our friends then do not know the rules. Later they will say that we are unfair to them, right?
Okay. For everyone for the lucky draw, everyone only have one chance to get the prize. Even for example, you already get the prize at first round or second round, and even though you are lucky winner for the next round, and unfortunately you only have the one chance to get the prize for the first round. And the second round they will postpone to even though you are at the third line for the screenshot page, and we are postponed to the fourth,
Yes.
the fourth lucky winner. Okay, and except for this, how we can participate this kind of lucky draw? It's very easy.
Yes.
Just type in the keywords for the comments here, and I will count 5 numbers from 5 to 1. When I finish the count, my partner Claire, she will do the screenshot, and if your name and for your comment, it's at the third line on the screenshot page, and
Yes.
that means you are the lucky winner. Okay.
But I see there's not so many friends that, oh, this Auto Laser Mastery is already here, right?
Okay. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Maybe
Are you
I'm
ready? And now we will start to say that to count the numbers, and I will do the screenshot.
Yeah, I can see actually I think there are a lot of the delay for the internet. If you want to make sure your name and your comments is on the page here, better you start typing the keywords before I'm going to count the 5 numbers, because sometimes maybe there will have some later internet delay
Yes.
with different area, because I'm here in China, maybe you are here in Europe, maybe you are here in America, maybe some different other countries will be a later internet delays.
So you need to always keep typing.
Yeah,
Auto Laser
always
Mastery.
keep typing the Auto Laser Mastery. Maybe you will be the lucky winner, get the prize. And don't forget, today our prize is our Auto Laser Mastery for this round. So let's see who will be the biggest lucky winner, get this prize.
Yes.
Oh my God, let's see. Are you guys ready? I'm going to count 5 numbers. Okay. 5. Here is a little maybe static now, but here I'm here. I can see that it's moving. Like
Okay, let's see the.
try. Okay, here
try
it's,
again,
it's
yes.
moving now. 5. Okay, 4. Okay, 3.
Yes, 3.
I think here is still not moving.
Yes, I will to go back. Just check again.
Okay,
Okay, I will enter again. Okay.
3.
Yes, it's moved.
2. Are you all guys ready? It's very close now. 2. Okay, let's see who will be the lucky winner. I'm going to start the count the last 2 numbers, 2 and 2. Okay, are you guys ready? I'm going to count the last one. Okay.
Okay, I will enter again. So make sure that you are the last the update.
Okay, I'm going to 1. Okay, let's do the green shot.
So it's Jeffrey.
Okay, congratulations, Jeffrey. You are the lucky winner. Get the prize. Congratulations. Congratulations. You got the prize for this machine and for free.
Yes.
Jeffrey
Henderson.
Henderson. Okay, you guys, you are really lucky to get this prize. It's really big prize.
Okay, so do not forget to send us your full
Yes.
name, telephone number, and also the email and delivery address so that we can arrange the shipping. And for today, we are looking for the global agent and distributors to resell our Ortur laser engravers. So if you are interested, you just send us your message. You can through the email, the WhatsApp, and also messengers to leave message to us because our sales will reply you. So for our global agent or the distributors, we will give you this support.
Yes.
The first one, of course, is the price. For our agent or distributors, there will be special price for you, so we can make sure that you have the enough profit.
Yes.
And the second one is that we will give you the marketing materials. For the marketing materials, like the photos, like the videos and detailed photos, and some posters you want to upload in your website or you use it in your real store, we will help to supply. And the third point is the most important is about the after-sales service.
Yes.
To the end customers, we have the system that website system, auto.hyphen and the support. The end customers, they can leave message for their any questions about our machines. And of course, for our distributors, we give you the one-to-one after-sales service because we will create a group for you, so we can reply your message immediately. And the fourth is that we will help you to do the local promotion. Like we will help you to find the local influencer or KOL to promote your online store or real store. And also that if you are good at marketing, we will also supply you the marketing fund to help you to do the local promotion, so that we can help to expand business and also to help you to increase the sales. And last one is that we have the overseas warehouse in Europe and USA, so which can help you to ship within 3 days. Of course, we have more benefits and support for you, so if you are interested, you just contact us through the WhatsApp, email, or messenger today in our homepage. And also the messenger us, right? So if you are interested, you just join us business, our family, then we will help you to expand the market and also to make money together, right?
Yes. I'm so excited. I want to, if I'm not work here, maybe I want to be as for the business partner as working together, right?
Yes.
And to make this such a big size, the business. And I think for our new product, Ortur Laser Mastery, it will be as for our best seller in future, right?
Yes.
Because we have a lot of the gorgeous and so great the features for this new product.
Yes.
And you mean if in a word or maybe by conclusion you want to see about this machine, what you will see?
The smarter. Faster and safer.
Yes.
So for these 3 points, I think it's also important for the laser engraver, right?
Yes.
So you remember that for our Ortur Laser Mastery, it's smarter and the faster and the smarter. For the smarter is that we have the apps, the Laser Explorer, and the second is the Web UI. The third one is the multi-connection mode.
Yes.
And the fourth is the smart limit switch, right?
Yes.
And for the faster, you can see that our speed is up to the 20,000 millimeters per minute, but it's the true speed, right?
Yes.
And also we can have a powerful cutting that is 10 millimeters cutting at one part for the acrylic and the pine wood.
Yes, today
we also can cut 30 millimeters and multi-cut. And also that we have the 7 safety
protection for the safety functions.
Yes. The first one is that we have the emergency button.
Safety lock.
Yes, safety lock. and also the active position protection,
Yes.
and the sloping position
Protection.
right?
Yes.
And also the current on the voltage monitoring.
Yes.
Right? If it's lower or higher, then it will protect the machine, right?
Yes.
And it's a host computer watchdog, right?
Yes.
And the last one, you remember?
Yeah, the last one is for the laser expose and the duration, the protection.
Yes. So it's why we pay so much attention on the safety, because we already have some customers give us feedbacks that for the laser engraver, you need to ensure it's safe, right? Especially for the Europe or for the Germany, right?
Yes.
They have a very strict rules about the safety. So this is why we pay more attention on the safety, right?
Yes.
So this is why we launched Ortur Laser Mask 3, that to make it smarter, faster, and safer, because we want to make this machine is a very good one for you, right?
Yes. And if you like us, you can follow us. If you want to know more information about the product, about the machine, about our company, and also about how to become our business partner.
Yes.
Okay, don't forget today. And if you are interested about this one, for becoming the business partner, and just contact us, right?
Yes, and we still have the WhatsApp number, the email address in our homepage, Ortur homepage. You can contact us anytime, and also we are always welcome you to be our global agent, right?
Yes.
So Tina, I think that for today we need to say goodbye to our friends, right?
And don't worry, maybe next time we will see you again. And also we hope you will be there again to stay with us, right?
And also we hope you are enjoying our live stream, and
Yes.
you get know more about our Ortur Laser Mask 3,
Yes.
especially for the apps, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
So we say goodbye.
Okay. Goodbye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. See you next time.
See you.